Hey, this is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. High ticket affiliate marketing using Quora.com. Now remember, what you're watching here is a series. So if you start on day 9, you're going to miss out on a lot of things and you're going to feel very confused. I'm promoting multiple income funnel with this playlist, with this channel, potential $5,200 commissions. It's also got recurring commissions so that when people buy into it through your referral link, you are making those commissions every single month. Right now, I think I'm up to $550 per month income. That's not including all the extra bigger sales as well. So I really like thinking and working on the recurring commissions because that's the passive income. It's just true passive income. You don't need to be going out and trying to get more and more sales. So once you're up to $4,000 or $5,000, what really do you need to do with your life anymore? And then you can have more free time. You're done working and all those types of things. But those recurring commissions are a big deal. So if you're starting out on day 3, you're going to want to come over here and watch the intro and watch the entire thing. So just a reminder, this is a playlist. You can promote anything with the training that I'm giving. A lot of people will promote other products, other high ticket things, but I found that multiple income funnel is the best for me right now. And I do have a surprise for you coming in later. I'm going to be starting a new playlist on another promotion that I am going to start promoting because we're affiliate marketers. We're online business. We can do whatever we want. So today we're talking about Quora. Now, I just set this account up and I just posted my first post in this account. So we are going to start with the setting up your account. I would set it up with your YouTube channel, the main one that you're using, that same email address that you're using with your main YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a YouTube video training in the next video here. So start with your first and last name. Quora is careful. I don't want to say finicky, but they're careful. Much less careful than TikTok is. Let's just put it that way. So you're going to come in here and put a picture that stands out. I just put a goofy picture in there because it's me. If you watch the video, if you watch day 2, I believe I have a training on how to get the background removed from your pictures. Once you get in here, you're going to put in your description. You can put a link in your description. I'm putting the link to my YouTube channel, what you're watching now, because I want to generate a lot more traffic here because it's an investment, as well as Quora. YouTube and Quora are very, very investment oriented. TikTok is a way to just get those sales real fast, and we've done that with this program with multiple income funnel that I'm promoting. And now I want to take a step back and start really investing in the future. Quora kind of lives forever. YouTube lives forever, and it was 10 years later that I'm still getting sales from my YouTube channel I set up way back then. So keep that in mind when you're doing Quora. This is an investment. So I've been a full-time high-ticket affiliate marketer, and then you're going to go ahead and put a link to wherever you want to send it to in your description. Be very, very careful how many links you put into anything. I like to limit my links, especially when you start a new channel like this, and I'm going to go ahead and give you updates on my Quora account as we continue to go. But you want to be very careful with how many links you put in, because Quora's just like any other platform. They don't want you driving people out of their platform. They want people staying in the platform. So yeah, put a description in there. You can just copy this. It doesn't really matter to me. Credentials and highlights. Go ahead and put your credentials. There's going to be 3 options, work and education. You can just copy this too. Studied at High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, HTAM. I just found that on there, so that works. Oh, look, I already have 2 content views. Just started today. All right, so High Ticket Affiliate Marketer I've been doing it longer than that, but to me, honestly, I just don't really care about those little details. Maybe I should. And so that's going to be setting up your account. When you're setting up your account, it's going to be asking you a bunch of questions about your interests. Go ahead and pick high ticket affiliate marketing if you're going to be promoting multiple income funnel with me. Affiliate marketing, making money online. Detroit's on there. I don't know why. I just put that in here and it showed up there. But you can always click on this and add more. Let's go e-commerce. Boom, e-commerce. Let's go ahead and add both of those. And then what that does is that's going to show other people that you're interested in those things, and people might ask you questions in the future. But remember, this is an investment, so you want to take you don't want to take a lot of time, but you want to take some time and put valuable information out there. Okay, so you can come up here, you can add a question. I just added one. A little while ago, a couple minutes ago. And so I'm going to be able to show you all those things. So when you're when you're answering a question, we're going to dive into finding those questions. So I'm in the Make Money Online niche, and I'm going to go ahead and type in Make Money Online in the search. You're going to find all these questions, and it's going to be from top to bottom. When you're starting your first channel, you're not going to want to answer these. It's just going to be buried in with the other huge answers and questions. So when you go here, I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Thanks, Internet. Thank you so much. So yeah, this one has 4,213 answers. This is going to be something that's going to be very hard to rate or to rank on. 13,000 people are following this one. Oh, that must be for that. So that's the situation there. We can go answer and get more. No, not that way. Sorry, comments. There we go. Still getting over this cold, guys. It's been 3 days. I'm glad I didn't have this while I was in Florida. So, yep, you see all these folks that are answering these questions. What's really fun is that, see here, I want to show you this comment deleted. It could have been a person deleting that comment, and also, look how far back these answers were. These answers were from 4 years ago, and they're still on here. I could have still seen that answer, found what they were promoting, and bought, right? So this is long-term stuff. Let's go ahead and look at some more more comments. Comment deleted. So you want to be careful with these to be making sure you're putting out good content, because Quora will be looking at it. I don't think they'll be like looking at it, but just be careful, especially in the Make Money Online space. So that's the big one. You're going to get lost in there. So let's go ahead and pick a different one. How do I make money online? Let's pick one down here. How can I make some money online? I'm 16. This one might be good. More of a long tail phrase. So when you're looking at what I mean by long tail is make money online. That's pretty big. So let's do make money using affiliate marketing. Let's try that one. How to earn in affiliate marketing. Let's check that one out. What is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing? Let's just try those two out. These probably have like 1,000 answers. How do I earn money? Let's go ahead and look at the comments. Only 43 comments. This one might be a good one to hop into. Okay, let's look at this person's. Oh, come on. What's going on? They're putting in YouTube videos. All right, let's go down. So they're putting in their videos right here, which is cool, but be careful with that. I want to look at this person's answers. See, they have a link right here, but if you follow the training, your link will look different than that. And you can also highlight some words and link those as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that. We'll go ahead and answer this. We'll go ahead and answer this question here, or I'll just show you my answer that I just posted. Okay, so we go down here to Eric's. Let's see. Okay, Eric's not promoting anything. If you're going to be doing this, promote something. Well, people can go and follow you, all those types of things. So let's look at the difference between these and, oh yeah, look at this. See, this is an answer that people would look at. Maybe. I wonder if let's see, like, just a bunch of pictures. Okay, so let's go into making a post. I'm going to show you one of the posts that I just put up. Okay, you can check your content and stats. Let's see if I have any. Oh, it's updated at 8 p.m. So I'll be able to check that and show you later on my results for that picture or that post. So let's go back to here and boom, this is the post I just put up. What's your favorite product to promote on with affiliate marketing? I didn't really answer this the right way, but first you want to start with a big picture, right? It'd be best to have a wide picture, but that's just one that I wanted to throw up here. You're going to start by bolding your first words so they really stand out. And then we're going to, I didn't even answer this question correctly. What's your favorite product to promote? I did answer that in the bottom, but I really should have done that a little bit better. Oh, no, that's mine. Okay, how do I start an online business? That's my question. I'm sorry. If you can't tell, I'm a little hazy. This is my question. That's one of my answers. That's my question. This is one of my answers. How do I start an online business? Boom. I've started many online businesses. I've done a lot. And the one that always wins is affiliate marketing. People like seeing that kind of stuff. So make that first comment really bold, because that's the first thing that's going to stand out. And then you just answer the question. Step 1, find your product. So I'm giving an enormous amount of value away, enormous amount of value. And then find the product, find the and then right here is my link. I just started this account, so I want to be very careful with my links. So I just put it right there. And here's the basics. Have some fun. And then we're going to see how well that one does. Yeah, 23 minutes ago. And we're going to see how well that one does. No, I don't think so. I was going to say, I think there was a way to put a link in the picture, but I don't think you can do that anymore. We'll have to see. So that's the basics of how to make money with Quora. Let's go ahead and look at a couple more online money making. Say they're using a picture right at the top. Picture basically at the top. So a lot of people will be looking at these because they stand out. So this is my new channel. You're going to be seeing this if you're whatever you're promoting, even if you don't have anything to start promoting it, go ahead and start posting Quora.com. They live forever. It's still a viable thing. So I'm going to go ahead and answer this question as well. If you put the same answer, so like you can't copy and paste your comments because they'll just say, hey, is this the same exact answer as this? And then they're going to start thinking you're spamming. So be careful with it. So another thing we want to do is go over our emails and our daily to-do list. Okay, the daily checklist is going to be in the description. So if you don't have that, there's a lot of great information down in that description. So here's your daily checklist. Do not request access to this. I'm not going to give it to you. Copy and paste. You can go here, file, make a copy, and then make it your own. So again, TikTok, 45 minutes. That's not taking me near 45 minutes again or anymore. That's my link for TikTok so that it can track where my leads are coming from. So if you can do two, do two. I've actually kind of trimmed this down to just doing 3 and 3. 3 accounts. It's really working for me. One of my accounts got banned. When your account gets banned, don't worry. You're going to be fine. You're going to survive. And if 3 is doing well for you, do 3. I found that fits a little bit better into my schedule, and I'm able to put a little bit of better time into that. One of my videos actually went very, very viral. I got 2 million views so far and an enormous amount of leads and a lot of sales. Then you're going to copy and put those onto your IG Reels, and the training for CapCut is earlier in this series. So yep, go down and duplicate and replicate those for IG Reels, get your YouTube Shorts going, and then so next video we're going to go over YouTube full-length videos, basically what I'm doing here, and then do your emails. Your emails for MLGS should have just bumped drastically since the last week. It's been a while since I've been posting regularly. Your My Lead Gen Secrets, you should have hundreds of leads in there. So when you're sending out emails every single day, you're getting more people, and those emails are targeted toward people who are interested in making money online. So it's a very, very big deal. But yep, here are your email swipes for that. You can find those there or in the description. In the description, there's a better one. So yep, every day, check your leads, check your sales, and import your new leads into GetResponse. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on GetResponse as well pretty soon here. So that is all for today, and we will see you soon. Let's go make some money.